If you remember my video from the last year about the tank turret controller, which was in a terrible condition, as you will see in the photo here. Yes, I finally started to restore it. I finally purchased cans of spray paint. I finally got a good weather outside, which allowed me to start to restore it, which is mostly for now painting the parts. So here is what is painted already. The main chassis part is still in the process, but you can see it is really much better. I am not terribly good at spray painting, and there are first price cans of paint, so I had some issues of overpaint, but in fact originally anyway it was not better than this, maybe even worse, and given the condition it was, it can be only better here also, but also it is quite difficult here because of the curve. In fact the paint is prone to drip quite a lot here, but on this surface it is nice. At least I did start to reinstall the components. Here are the other parts painted. This one, this, all the others are still in the process, except for little ones like this or this. So the next step after painting everything will be to figure out how to wire it in order to be able to retrieve information from it and have at least the buttons working and doing something. So for this, in fact, according to the schematic, these lights are coupled to these switches. So I will do something and allowing to use the light on the switches and outputting the signals for use with Arduino or something like this. The main issue will be this part, which was the main part with potentiometer, which are removed for now, and micro switches. I did test them and I have at least one bad micro switch. I will try maybe to spray some contact cleaner inside, make a little hole and spray some contact cleaner and see if it is better. I need to redo the wiring most probably and figure out how to wire it in order to be able to use the information from it. When it is done, I will be able to start to reassemble it, which will be probably very fun, because if you watch the teardown video, you will see how painful it was. So for now, I am quite happy with the result. There is a little minor defects I will touch up after the final assembly. I guess it will be better, but look at this. It is still looking a lot better than it was. There is no comparison. Okay, so thanks for watching and stay tuned for future updates about this. Bye bye.